Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Black Decker 12-Cup Digital Coffee Maker. The Black Decker 12-Cup Digital Coffee Maker is a reliable and user-friendly machine designed to simplify your mornings. With a large 12-cup capacity, it's perfect for families or entertaining guests. The digital programmable timer allows you to set brewing up to 24 hours in advance, so fresh coffee is ready when you are. Its Sneak a Cup feature lets you pause brewing to pour a cup mid-cycle without spills. The easy-to-read digital display and intuitive controls make operation effortless. A non-stick warming plate keeps coffee hot for up to 2 hours after brewing. The removable filter basket makes cleanup quick and simple. The glass carafe is durable and designed for easy pouring. Compact and stylish, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen space. Enjoy fresh, flavorful coffee every day with the Black Decker 12-Cup Digital Coffee Maker. Chicken Shredder. The Chicken Shredder tool is a game-changer for quick and effortless meat preparation. Designed with a twist-action mechanism, it efficiently shreds chicken breasts, pulled pork, and other cooked meats in seconds. Its large, durable design accommodates generous portions, making it perfect for meal prepping or family dinners. The tool's sharp, interlocking teeth ensure consistent shredding without tearing or mashing. Made from high-quality, food-grade materials, it is safe, non-toxic, and easy to clean. The non-slip base keeps it steady during use, providing added safety and convenience. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle and store in any kitchen. Perfect for tacos, sandwiches, salads, and more, it saves time and effort compared to manual shredding. Dishwasher safe, it's simple to maintain for everyday use. Upgrade your kitchen efficiency with the versatile and durable Chicken Shredder tool. Coffee Mug Warmer. The Kosori Coffee Mug Warmer mug set is the ultimate solution for keeping your beverages at the perfect temperature. Featuring an advanced heating plate, it ensures your coffee, tea, or cocoa stays warm for hours. The included stainless steel mug with a cool touch handle and spill-resistant lid enhances your drinking experience. Precise temperature controls allow you to customize your warmth preference, from mild to hot. Designed with a sleek, compact profile, it fits seamlessly on any desk or countertop. The LED display adds a modern touch while offering easy operation. Automatic shutoff ensures safety and energy efficiency. Perfect for home, office, or gifting, it combines functionality with style. Enjoy every sip at your own pace with this innovative warmer set. Kosori Electric Kettle. The Kosori Electric Kettle offers a safe and stylish way to boil water with its no plastic contact design. Made from high-quality borosilicate glass and stainless steel, it ensures pure, chemical-free water every time. The kettle's 1.7-liter capacity is perfect for making tea, coffee, or instant meals for the whole family. Its quick boil technology heats water in minutes, saving time on busy days. The blue LED indicator provides a modern touch while letting you know when the kettle is in use. A wide-opening lid makes cleaning and refilling hassle-free. The automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection ensure safety during operation. Its cordless design and 360-degree swivel base offer convenience for pouring and storage. With a sleek, modern look, it complements any kitchen decor. Upgrade your daily routine with the efficient and eco-friendly Cosori electric kettle. Cuisinart Food Processor. The Cuisinart Food Processor is a versatile kitchen essential designed to simplify meal prep and enhance your cooking experience. Equipped with a powerful motor, it handles everything from chopping and slicing to shredding and pureeing with ease. Its large-capacity work bowl accommodates a variety of recipes, perfect for family meals or entertaining. The stainless steel blades deliver precision and durability, ensuring consistent results every time. Intuitive controls make operations simple, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef. The sleek design complements any kitchen, while dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup effortless. With multiple attachments included, it offers endless culinary possibilities. Compact yet powerful, this food processor is built to last. Elevate your cooking with the efficiency and reliability of Cuisinart. Elite Griddler. The Cuisinart GR300WSP1 Elite Griddler is a versatile 6-in-1 appliance for all your cooking needs. Its reversible nonstick plates allow grilling, griddling, panini pressing, and more with ease. Adjustable temperature controls and sear function ensure precise cooking results every time. The sleek stainless steel design is durable and complements any kitchen. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, it's your all-in-one solution for flavorful meals. AmuseWit Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. The AmuseWit Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set offers effortless seasoning with modern convenience. These grinders feature a unique gravity-activated design that starts grinding automatically when tilted. The adjustable ceramic grinder allows you to customize the coarseness for precise seasoning. With a sleek, ergonomic design, they're easy to handle and perfect for any kitchen or dining table. LED lights at the base illuminate your food as you season, ensuring accuracy even in dim lighting. The durable, rust-proof construction ensures long-lasting performance. Each grinder is powered by batteries, eliminating the need for manual effort. The large capacity compartments are easy to refill and suitable for various spices. Stylish and functional, they add a touch of elegance to your culinary experience. Upgrade your seasoning game with the AmuseWit Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Countertop Double Cast Iron Burner. The Elite Gourmet EDB 302 BF TAF Countertop Double Cast Iron Burner is a versatile and efficient solution for cooking in small spaces. Featuring 2 cast iron plates, it provides even and consistent heat for all types of cookware. The dual adjustable temperature controls allow you to customize the heat for each burner, perfect for multitasking in the kitchen. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for dorms, offices, or RVs. The non-slip rubber feet ensure stability, while the durable construction supports heavy pots and pans. The power indicator lights provide safety and ease of use. Its sleek black finish blends seamlessly with any kitchen decor. Easy to clean and maintain, the burners are designed for hassle-free operation. Whether boiling, frying, or simmering, it delivers reliable performance every time. Upgrade your cooking experience with the Elite Gourmet Countertop Double Cast Iron Burner. Warming mat. The warming mat for food keeps your dishes perfectly warm for hours, making it ideal for gatherings and meals. This electric warming tray features an even heating surface to maintain food temperature without burning. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to use and store when not in use. The durable, heat-resistant design ensures safe and reliable performance. Perfect for buffets, parties, or everyday meals, it's a convenient solution for warm, delicious food. Stainless steel butter spreader. The stainless steel butter spreader is a versatile 3-in-1 kitchen gadget designed to make buttering, slicing, and spreading effortless. Made from durable, food-grade stainless steel, it's rust-resistant and built to last. The tool features a serrated edge for cutting bread or butter blocks, a flat side for spreading butter evenly, and unique perforations for creating decorative butter curls. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for any task. Perfect for butter, jams, spreads, and more, it's a must-have for breakfast and snack preparation. The sleek, modern design complements any kitchen style and is easy to clean, either by hand or in the dishwasher. Lightweight and compact, it's convenient for storage or travel. Whether you're hosting brunch or making a quick snack, this 3-in-1 butter spreader adds efficiency and elegance to your kitchen routine.